Welcome back, everyone. Today we are making a beautiful flower coaster, a perfect accessory to brighten up your table and protect it from heat or watermarks. This coaster is decorative, practical, and also makes a thoughtful handmade gift. We'll be using 3mm yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. Please stay with me until the end. Your support motivates us to create even more tutorials. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Now, let's get started. For round 1, begin with a magic ring. Chain 3, then make 12 double crochets into the ring. Close with a slip stitch. Tip: keep your stitches even and not too tight. It will help the petals form nicely. Great job! Moving on to round 2. Chain 1, then repeat. 1 single crochet, chain 3, 12 times all around. Finish with a slip stitch. This round creates the loops where we'll build our petals, so make sure your chains are consistent in size. You're doing amazing! For round 3, slip stitch to the first loop. Then make chain 6, 1 double crochet in the first loop. In the next 11 loops, repeat 1 double crochet, chain 3, 1 double crochet, join with a slip stitch. These are the foundation stitches for your petals, and it's starting to look like a flower already. Now for round 4. In each loop, work chain 2, 2 unfinished double crochets together, chain 2, 1 single crochet. Repeat this sequence 12 times around, then slip stitch to close. Tip: unfinished double crochets may feel tricky. Just remember not to complete the stitch until the last yarn over. You're doing wonderfully, keep going! On to round 5. Start with chain 2, 1 double crochet, chain 3, 2 unfinished double crochets together, chain 3 in the first space. Then repeat 2 unfinished double crochets together, chain 3, 2 unfinished double crochets together, chain 3, 11 more times. Join with a slip stitch. This round gives the petals their layered look. It may feel detailed, but you're building real beauty here. Finally, round 6, chain 1, then repeat the sequence. 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, chain 2, slip stitch 5 times, and 1 double crochet 12 times all around. Finish with a slip stitch. Your flower coaster is complete. Flatten it gently with your hands so the petals spread evenly. Lovely work. Congratulations! You've just finished your flower coaster. Doesn't it look amazing? This piece is perfect for cups, mugs, or as a small decorative mat. Remember, the more you practice, the easier and faster it becomes. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends. Your support truly helps us keep making more crochet projects. Thank you so much for crocheting with me today. See you in the next video.